Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use your Squarespace site, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm in my site editor, and here you can use the site pretty much like this in the preview. Now, as you can see, this is just a standard site. This is a template that I have begun to use for my site, and here you can do a couple of different things. You can check the desktop view and the mobile view as well, and you can use both to your heart's content. So you can just click on the buttons for navigation to check if everything works well. You can check if any buttons work by clicking here, and it'll take you to the contact page, as in this example. You can go over and click on anything that has a link on it, and it'll take you to the appropriate pages, except this can load an item. I'm not sure why. But yeah, pretty much you can use it like any other site. If you want, you can use the full preview like so, and you can use your site as you would any other. And yeah, you can do that. So let me just go back into this. As I mentioned, you can also check the mobile view as well, and you can go into any links here as well. And yeah, pretty much that is it. You can also click on edit in the top left and actually edit your pages on your site like so. You can add sections, you can add blocks like so, and you can make any changes that you want. You can also go into the styles page and change the style, such as the colors and everything of your site. So for example, I can go to this color like you see here, which I won't be saving, so I'll just exit as it was. And yeah, that is pretty much all you need to know about accessing your site. If you want to actually access your site once your site is actually public, just delete the config from the URL you're currently at, and that should take you to your site, which should be published. If it's not, you need to publish it first. But yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. It is very easy, very simple to use. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.